Hello beautiful people, watch me make this custom oat milk and mango soap. Check her out.
Oils in bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars. Yeah. So my first custom soap order was soaps that I made using real coconut butter and oat milk, homemade oat milk for a baby shower. And this customer wanted to gift the parents homemade soaps for their baby, and that's what I did. I was so proud of these soaps. My second custom order was for a customer who was allergic to shea butter. So I made her an oat milk and mango butter soap batch. And then along the way of my soaping journey in my business, I've added cucumber, strawberry, avocados. This was my first vegetable and fruit soap. I was very proud of that. This video is brought to you and sponsored by Oils and Bar Soaps and Products. Oils and Bar soaps and products are made with the best ingredients because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best.
Stop sleeping and go buy you some oils and bars.
Okay, so to make soap, you need sodium hydroxide, which is lye, and butters and oils. And so to my soap recipe, I use food grade sodium hydroxide that I added to my soft butters and oils. I prepped my soaping process by pureeing my mango and making my homemade oat milk. Lost some footage of making my homemade oat milk. And I added it to my batter, the oat milk and the mango. Poured it in a mold, allowed the mold to set up. Once the mold set up, I take my soap loaf out and I cut it into bars. Now, mango is known for and is great for because it's full of vitamin C and A, removing dark marks from our skin. Now, oat milk is nature's miracle for our skin. People who deal with itchy, dry, flaky, eczema-like skin issues benefit from oatmeal. And in my bars, my gelling phase wasn't 100% complete. That's why you see that dark circle in the middle, but that's okay. The temperatures in my house, causes my soap sometimes to do that. It's harder to make soap in the winter and in the summer when you make it in your house like this. But anyway, I'm going to allow my bars to sit. My bars sit for 4 weeks to cure. Thank you and God bless every person that supported Oils and Bars and Miss Shep. You're the bomb.